back to my channel and you are watching 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and facilities also. This review is location is surrounded by attractions and landmarks also. You find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 9. Category 10. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen this the air check. Location of the hotel is outstanding